We're going to talk about equivalent sums again today. We talked about it yesterday in our number talk, and I said equivalent means the same as or equal to something else. So I have two sets of cubes here. They are equivalent. They both have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the same. I can line them up and see they are the same on top and bottom. That makes them equivalent. They both are equivalent to 5. And now I'm going to write down two different number sentences that go along with these. I'm going to break them up in different ways. So the first one I'm going to break like that. The second one I'm going to break like this. And I want to write down this addition sentence and this addition sentence, and they're going to be equivalent or equal to the same thing. So this one I have 2 cubes and I have 3 cubes. 2 and 3 equals the same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3 makes 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 4 plus 1. These are equivalent. They give us the same answer, and so they are equal to each other. Even though they have different numbers, they both equal the same thing. Let's try another one. Let's add a couple more. Let's make 7 and 7. So first I want to check. Are they both 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, they are both. I can line them up. They are both equivalent. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to break them apart. Let's see, I'm going to try to break this one close to the middle. And this one, let's do it closer to the end down there. So I just broke them apart into the different parts, and let's see what addition sentence we can come up with. How many is here? 3. 1, 2, 3. There's my break. I'm going to say and or plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 plus 4 equals how many on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this one. And where my break comes, how many more? 2. 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. So my equivalent sum says 3 plus 4 equals 5 plus 2. Both of these equal 7, and I get the same answer. Okay, let's try another one. Let's add one more to each of those. We had 7, so if I add one more, now I have 8. Ooh, they're going to stick off my board. That's fine, I've got room. So let's make sure we have equivalent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8. And let's separate them. So let's see, I'm going to break this one right in the middle. And I'm going to break this one. Let's do it up here in the front. So for my red one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's a double. It's the same number. 4 and 4 makes 8. And I have 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 7. 4 and 4 equals 1 plus 7. They both make 8. Okay, now I'm going to put all of them together. Oops, let me erase my board. I'm going to put all of my cubes together. I'm going to make them go this way this time, because there's a lot. So they are the same. They are equivalent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 are there on both sides. Let's see, I'm going to keep this one just like this. I'm not going to break it up. And I'm going to break this one up like that. I'll break it here. I could have broken it in lots of different places because there are lots of different equivalent sums we can make for these. So for this one, I kept all of them together. So I'm going to say 10 plus, how many more? 0. I didn't break it, so I have 10 here and nothing else. 10 plus 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4. They both equal 10. 10 plus 0 equals 6 plus 4. You can use your cubes. You can break them apart. You can write equivalent addition sentences because you're going to have the same sum or the same answer, just like I had 10 and 10 here.